Hello, everybody. This is Beenie and me, Barb Del Judas. We love everybody and we're so happy to see you. Here's pretty Beenie. He loves to sit here for a long time on my arm. On the flannel shirt. He loves flannel. It feels good on the bottoms of his feet. Oh, silly. Pretty bird. Pretty Beenie. Yes, and he's preening himself. Good Beenie. Oh, there. Now you're the only one in the camera. That's there. Pretty Beenie. Yeah. Oh, what a pretty bird. Pinky, Beenie, Mibby. Pinky and Mibby are Beenie's nicknames. Right, Beenie? Yeah. Look at you, right? You're so sweet.